question was, how do you ohm out the EEV when it has a Molex with multiple wires? Is there a distinct pattern or set of wires to ohm?
So when you're ohming that, yes, either gray or blue is your common. So when you're going from gray or blue, depending on your model, you go, that to each color, it should be close to equal to each other. Usually they're around 46 ohms, as long as they are just close to each other. And then each leg to ground, of course, should be OL. That's a good way to check those. On the older units, I know we did have that rust or corrosion that can build up on there. So that'd be another thing to check when you're checking the EEV. You pull that head off the coil off the head of the EEV body and make sure that there's no rust or corrosion. GREE did change that type of metal they were using. I haven't had many calls even in coastal areas of that rust or corrosion. So, GREE's good about, doing things that we ask them and changing that and correcting issues that we see. So I haven't had any of those calls recently on newer units. So that's a huge improvement.
Oh wow, I didn't realize that they had made an update on the type of metal, JD. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, from my understanding, they did it a couple of years ago. And
Okay.
again, like even in the coastal areas, I haven't had that rust or corrosion complaint. So it's typically on the older units.